Welcome to Monaxa tutorial video. We are going to show you how to use Help Desk. To start, launch your preferred website and navigate to monaxa.com. Click Login at the top corner of our website. Ensure that you have an account. Enter your username and password. Click on Login. Once logged into the Monaxa portal, click on Help Desk in the top right corner of the page. Click Add New Ticket in the upper right corner. Select the category that best describes your question or issue. Enter a short title for your inquiry. Provide a detailed description of your question or issue. You can also attach files or images if necessary. Click Submit. Your ticket has now been sent to our support team. You will receive updates via email, so please check your inbox periodically. Thank you for choosing Monaxa.